Havoc Unleashed, Estonia's next generation war robot. Estonia's Milrem Robotics has just unveiled its latest combat robot, the Havoc, an 8x8 wheeled unmanned vehicle designed for modern battlefields. Revealed at the IDEX 2024, Havoc builds on Milrem's existing robotic platforms, including the Tracked Robotic Combat Vehicle, RCV. By sharing components with other systems, it promises lower procurement and maintenance costs while streamlining logistics. The key advantage? Greater range and near silent movement, making it highly effective in urban combat zones or complex terrains. With its new Emirati ownership, Edge Group, Milrem is targeting the Middle East market, promoting Havoc's ability to operate in desert, cities and high altitude regions. The push follows a major deal at the 2024 UMEX drone fair, where UAE Minister of Defence ordered 20 tracked RCVs and 40 Themis unmanned ground vehicles. Meanwhile, Themis robots continue to support Ukraine forces in cargo transport, casualty evacuation and demining efforts. Milrem says Havoc integrates seamlessly with manned and unmanned systems, enhancing battlefield coordination. One notable feature is the Pilar V acoustic detector, a French-made system designed to identify and locate incoming threats. With lessons learned from real-world deployments, the Havoc aims to refine robotic warfare, providing greater autonomy, intelligence and adaptability in combat. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.